How to share a presentation using Content Library. In webinars, you may share a PowerPoint, PDF, or MP4 video. To prepare in advance, upload any files you like to your Content Library on your account page. Just drag and drop. Inside your webinar, just bring up the Content Library by clicking the Share Files and Videos icon. Choose a file to share from your local computer, and once uploaded, click the play button. You will see the slide controls at the bottom of the screen. To share an MP4, do the same by uploading the file and clicking play. While your MP4 is playing, you are also welcome to narrate if you like. Your audience will still hear you speaking. Others in your meeting are also welcome to share files. Attendees in a meeting are able to upload presentations to share temporarily, and at the end of the meeting, they're automatically deleted. Any file in your library can immediately be shared with your audience, allowing them to download the file to their computer. Just click the icon to share the download link, and a link to download your presentation will be submitted into the chat window for your attendees.